I'm Steve Lieberstein, co-chair of the working group on the Social Safety Net, Professional Staff Congress. I'll be moderating tonight. So I'd like to ask Debbie Bell, the union's executive director, to come along with Joyce Mormon, who is the chair of the union chapter at Manhattan Community College, to come and give official readings from the union. And we can get started.
Good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Debbie Bell. I'm the Executive Director of Professional Staff Congress, CUNY. I'm here on behalf of President Barbara Bowen and the leadership of PSC, but we are part of a coalition that's sponsoring this event, and a coalition that has been working together, particularly across the city, to educate and motivate around defense of the social safety net. Our partners this evening, and I want to accurately name them for you, include Caring Across Generations, No Bad Grand Bargain, COMRO, the Committee of Municipal Retirees Organizations, the New York City Alliance for Retired Americans, which is linked to the AFL-CIO, and the New York City Managerial Employees Association.
And U.S. Labor Against the War.
And U.S. Labor Against the War, personified here on the panel. It's an exciting panel. You're going to hear a lot about the austerity politics that are threatening the social safety net, but more importantly, we're going to continue the conversation about what you must do to preserve the social safety net from the people who are here tonight. I also want to take a moment to acknowledge the retirees chapter of our union. The retirees chapter has worked together over more than 2 years. First of all, to produce the pamphlet about the social safety net, which I assume many of you have already seen, and if you haven't, they are available on the table over there and outside. They are a remarkable group, particularly the committee responsible for this, of retired union and social activists who have worked together to build a coalition, and what's becoming a large coalition across the state, of New Yorkers to defend the social safety net. Their emphasis is the importance of coalitions. We know that from the labor movement. We know that from the advocacy organizations that we all belong to. It is important that we work together, and it's particularly important that we educate younger workers, even students, and we're glad to see some students here tonight, about the importance of the social safety net to all of us, because the safety net runs from ensuring access to public higher education, to preserving dignity for retired Americans, to ensuring that families have access to benefits if the prime money earner in their family is disabled or dies on the job. These are important issues that they are important benefits we must defend, and issues that we must talk about, not just for those of us who are sort of moving gently into our 60s and 70s, but particularly to the younger generations, because if the benefits aren't disappear over the course of sequestration, etc., they won't be there when our children and the next generation are ready to take care of them, particularly those that relate to retirement benefits. So I'm going to turn this over to people much better able than I to give you the detailed information you need to move the fight forward. Thank you very much for being here.